Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to basically tell you how people actually make money in the stock market trading penny stocks rather than blue chips. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay guys, let's get into this video. This is going to be a pretty simple video. This is my trade today. A lot of people are going to say, why is it going down? I short a lot. If you're new to this channel, which most of you that see this probably will be, um, shorting is basically you wanting the stock to go down. That's how I made money this morning. 90% of traders actually fail, so I use that to my advantage. 90% of traders basically go the wrong way every time. So sometimes when you hear a lot of people talking about something, and there's a lot of forums out there, there's a lot of chat rooms out there, um, basically I'll take a chance sometimes and I'll go against what they're saying, and I'll go against the news sometimes based on everybody else. So that kind of gives me a little bit of an edge. When you're trading penny stocks, you definitely want to have an edge. Um, with that being said, today's trade, this thing did have FDA and news and had some other stuff, I believe. I was up pretty early. You don't have to be up super early to trade, depending on your time zone. If you're across seas and I'm in the United States, you don't have to be up early at all. Usually, I think it's actually like 5 or 6 at night is when the market opens. So with that being said, this had a top at 418 pre-market high, and I trade with E-Trade usually or Interactive Brokers. This is Thinkorswim though, the charting platform. All you gotta do is Google Thinkorswim, download, make an account with TD Ameritrade. You do not have to fund anything, and you can get this platform. Um, I have like 2 cents in this one because I don't use TD Ameritrade at all. I just I put a couple cents in it just to make sure that they never take it away from me. So with that being said, so this had it up here and it started falling down even though it did have FDA approval. When it popped up here and it did not break this right here was my reason for getting short in here. I got in average of 407. I wanted 4010, but it just did not end up happening, which is okay. Mainly because it never broke this. I was risking it off this high, and as you can see, I was completely right. Higher lows is what you're looking for. So this is a high, this is a lower high, and then it tested that again, but it never broke it. So that's what we were looking for in this trade. I don't trade pre-market a whole lot, but sometimes I just feel like I know it, I see it happening, and I use it, especially when they run this early and just kind of pop up here. You kind of have an advantage there. And especially, I got this one kind of short early because it's harder to find shorts if you wait till all the way down here because, of course, brokers don't want to lose money. So this was a pretty good trade in a 407 average. I ended up covering down in here because I didn't know if it was actually going to break this. And as soon as it broke it, I basically covered half in here. And then it kind of popped back up. I didn't know what it was going to do here. Of course, I'm still up, so I was basically going to risk it here at the 393 level where this candle was. If it popped back up to there, I was going to cover the rest of it. Of course, that's still profit, right? And then it actually ended up cracking down in here, and I covered the rest into the 370, 371 range. Very simple pattern that I'm trading here, and that's just the higher lows and these penny stocks that are kind of downtrending. Let's see, which tool do I have? I want to keep this video short, but I want to keep it with a lot of information. So if you put a trend line here, it kind of hits this. It does kind of break through it here, and again, that's why you kind of have this one. You kind of see where that last high was, or the last perk was, and you kind of base it off of that. So if you just kind of extend this to the right, you see that it never actually breaks through after this when your entry point was. It kind of falls, and then it just kind of rides along with it. And then I'm not saying short this now because it is so far down. You're not going to find shorts for it anywhere, I don't believe. But that's kind of the basis of it. So you have a trend line, or you have a price line here to where you think if it breaks this, it's going to be pretty good. And then you also put one pretty much right here at this top because of that. And if mine would ever work, that would be great. I don't know why it's not working. There it went. Okay, so this is pretty simple. I hope you guys get this. Most people make money on penny stocks going short, which means you're basically borrowing shares and then covering those shares when the price falls. You can lose an unlimited amount of money, don't get me wrong, but you keep. That's why when I teach people, if you guys want to be coached by me, definitely comment below and I'll get in contact with you. But the main thing is covering losses quickly, having a risk, and basically managing your risk management. That's the biggest part of trading stocks, and people don't seem to understand that. Um, but I will definitely help you if you're interested in the market for wanting to learn how to grow your money. Again, guys, I do this for a living. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. I want to try to upload every day this summer, and from now on, basically, except for Sundays, I'm gonna try to go live. I think maybe, but we want to have good plays. We want to have certain setups, and you have to play those setups that work for you. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Please subscribe and please hit that like button. It helps my channel a lot. I hope I helped you guys. And we're going to go over some more basic stuff here in the upcoming future and some more advanced stuff, all for free. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching.